In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound or audio issues on an HP laptop or computer. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, audio problems are obviously super frustrating, especially if you're trying to watch videos, listen to music, or just attend meetings, but if your laptop has no sound, these fixes are going to fix that. Begin by actually opening up the start menu just like so, and then hitting the settings gear to go into your settings. Look on this left hand sidebar, find system, open it up, and then select sound. And under the output section, which you're gonna have to scroll down a little bit maybe to see, or it's gonna be up at the very top, just make sure that the correct audio device that you're using is selected. If multiple devices do appear, choose the one that you want for sound. I actually already have this set up with my HyperX Virtual Surround Sound as my default device. Also, make sure the volume itself isn't muted, and then just scroll down and you're looking for these more sound settings. Go ahead and open this up and then go specifically to the playback tab. It should automatically put you on it. Go ahead and find your device on here, which is going to be this one for me, right? Just right click it and make sure it's set as the default device as well. You could also just select it and then go to set default and then hit OK and apply. If you're still having issues, what you're going to want to do is back out of this, go to the search bar and type in services just like so. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll down until you find Windows Audio. It is going to be sorted alphabetically, so you could search down a little bit and then you're going to see it. There it is right here. Go ahead and double click it. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and that the service is currently running. If it isn't running, hit start and then you're good to go. Mine is currently running though. And if you're still having issues, what you're going to want to do is go back down to search and this time type in device manager, open it up, and this time go ahead and go into audio inputs and outputs. Open this up and then of course go ahead and find your output device, which once again is going to be this headset. Go ahead and right click on this, update the driver, hit search automatically for drivers. If there's an update here, go ahead and open it up and install that. If not, back out, right click, and then hit uninstall. Hit uninstall one more time, and then restart your PC by going down here, selecting restart. And when it does, start up again, plug your audio or whatever back in, headset back in, and then from here it's going to reinstall those drivers and you're good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.